Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
So we are making different plans, but it will not be successful. That much I explained last night, that we are thinking independent and we are planning so many things independently to become happy. It is not possible. That is not possible. That is Maya's illusory play. Daividhesa gunamai mama maya duratva. You cannot solve. Then what is the ultimate solution? Mame vaja prapaddante mayame tantaram. If we surrender to Krishna, then we revive our original position. That is Krishna consciousness means instead of keeping so many things in consciousness, they are all polluted consciousness. The real, we have got consciousness, that is a fact. But our consciousness is polluted. So we have to purify the consciousness. To purify consciousness means bhakti. Bhakti, the definition given in Narad Pancharatra. Rupa Goswami. Rupa Goswami says, Annavilasita sunnam. Jnana karmadi anavritam. Anukullena Krishnanichilam. Bhakti. This is first class bhakti. There is no other ultimate motive. Because here in the material world, under the control of the material nature, prakriti kriyamanani gunai karmani sarvava. Ahankara vimuratma karta. We are under the full control of the prakriti material nature. But because we are foolish, we have forgotten our position. So ahankar, false ahankar. This is false ahankar. I am Indian, I am American, I am Brahmin, I am Kshatri. This is false ahankar. Therefore, Narad Pancharatra says, Sarvapadhi vinirmuktam. So, one has to become free, uncontaminated from all these designations. I am Indian, I am American, I am this, I am that. Sarvapadhi vinirmuktam. Tatparatena nirmalam. When he is purified, nirmalam, without any designation, that I am part and parcel of Krishna. Aham Brahma. This is Aham Brahma. Krishna is Param Brahma. He is described in the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Arjuna, Param Brahma, Paramadhama, Pavitram Paramam Bhavam, Purusham Shastratam Adhyam. Arjuna recognized, and he said, you are recognized by all the authorities. Prahlad Maharaj is one of the authorities. I describe authorities. Brahma is authority. Lord Shiva is authority. And Kapila is authority. Kumara, 4 Kumara are authorities. And Manu is authority. Similarly, Prahlad Maharaj is authority. Janak Maharaj is authority. 12 authorities. So Arjuna confirmed that you are speaking yourself, that you are the Supreme Lord, Matta Parataram Nanya. And from discussion of Bhagavad Gita, I also accept you, Param Brahma. And not only that, all the authorities, they also accept you. Recently, in our time, Ramanujarya, Madhyacharya, all the acharyas, they also accept Krishna. Even Shankaracharya, he accepts Krishna. So Bhagavan Swayam Krishna. So Krishna is accepted, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, by all the acharyas. So you have to learn from the acharyas, not any common man or any self-made acharya. No, that will not. Just like we sometimes in the court, we give some judgment from the other court, and that is taken very seriously, because it is authority. We cannot manufacture judgment. Similarly, Acharya Upasanam in the Bhagavad Gita, it is recommended. We have to go to the Acharya. Acharyavan Purusha Veda. One who has accepted Acharya in the disciplic succession, he knows the things. So all the Acharyas, they accept Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Narada, he accepts. Vyasadeva, he accepts. And Arjuna also accepts, who personally listened to Krishna, Bhagavad Gita. And Lord Brahma, yesterday somebody questioned that whether there was the name of Krishna before Dvaparayuga. No, there was. In the Shastras, there are Krishna, the Vedas, and Atharva Veda, and other Krishna Devi is there. And in the Brahma Samhita, Lord Brahma, he wrote Brahma Samhita. It is clearly explained there. Ishara Parama Krishna, Satchidananda Vigraha, Anadi, Radi, Anadi, Adi, Govinda, Sarvakaranka. And Krishna also says, Matta Parataram Nanya Kinchidasti Vananda. Aham Sarvasya Prabhava. Sarvasya means including all the devatas, all the living entities, everything. And the Vedanta says, Janmadhyasya Jataha. So, Krishna is the absolute supreme person, Ishvara Paramamurti, from Lord Brahma. He is the distributor of Vedic knowledge. And Krishna says also, Vedaisya sarvai ahamiyo vedam. This is the ultimate goal.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.